Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Google account and ensuring the Photos app has storage and network permission. This prevents sync stalls. Once signed in, open Photos and go straight to Library, then Utilities, and select Manage Backup or Device Folders. You want to see which folders are queued and which are paused. Make sure backup is toggled on for the folders you care about. This first pass reveals immediate errors like full storage or disabled mobile backup, so you can address them quickly. Once done with the initial check, examine backup status lines across your device and cloud. A pending or failed tag points to connectivity or permission faults. You should inspect albums and search results to spot duplicates or missing photos. Google Photos often groups similar images, so use the Compare view. If specific device folders aren't syncing, enable them in backup settings and clear cache or free space. Then force a manual backup retry to confirm changes. This zeroes in. You finish by verifying the newest photos appear on other devices and in Photos. Google.com, that confirms a successful sync. If some items remain missing, clear the app cache, restart the app, or sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. Make sure Google storage isn't full because full quota blocks new backups. Remove large videos or upgrade storage if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if backups still fail, toggle mobile data backup off and on. Then start backup while on stable Wi-Fi to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.